Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable and use a feature called memory in Copilot AI. But before that, there is one thing that you need to know. So at the moment, this feature is still not yet available globally. In fact, I have to use a VPN service just so I can make this video. But hopefully, by the time you're watching this video, the feature would be available in your country. So anyway, let's continue. Now here in Copilot, I have this one chat where I asked AI about 10 popular breakfast ideas that I could try at home. Now I'm going to use the memory feature to influence how AI should be answering to my question. Let me give you an example. So here, to enable the memory feature, you can go to your profile, click memory, and then you can enable personalization and memory right here. So basically, in Copilot, it is called facts and not memory. Every piece of info that AI save will be called facts, and that will again influence how AI should be answering to your question. So I'm going to close this, given that we have enabled this feature. Now, to add a new memory, it actually will happen automatically. If there is any new piece of information that AI thinks worth remembering, then it will remember that. But you can also just tell AI to remember certain things. For example, hey, please remember that I'm lactose intolerant. There you go. So just send a message and just wait for a few seconds and the memory feature will kick in. And as you can see, I'll remember that you are lactose intolerant. There you go. So I'm going to close this. And basically, I'm going to ask the same question again, and you'll see that this time around will be different. It's going to omit some dairy products. So right here in the original answer, it recommends milk or yogurt, which is again, I'm lactose intolerant, so I cannot use it. Now, let's start a new chat. Okay. And I'll just send the same message, the same question. And just wait, it will start using its memory, and it will not recommend using or recommend products or breakfast ideas that contain dairy product. Okay, since you are lactose intolerant, I'm keeping these either naturally dairy free or easy to adapt. And there you go. So it is recommending almond or soy milk, so it is not a dairy product, and that's really cool. This is the benefit of using the memory feature. You can get a more personalized and accurate answer based on your specific profile or condition. So I highly recommend you enable this feature if you want to have a more meaningful and quality answer when using Copilot AI. And again, you can always manage your memory. You can navigate to the facts you have shared, click edit, and then you can delete any info that you think is no longer relevant or AI doesn't have to remember anymore. So that's basically how you can use the memory feature in Copilot AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.